Okay, folks, so no video on how I removed all the broken parts or the broken part, some of it. This is what's left of the back light or rear light or, yeah. I want to show you, I'm not even sure if I'm going to use this video. I'm thinking about making a new plate, changing up a couple of things, maybe a little bit. I need to take the battery out, so you check there, it's got a huge ding in that tray. Mostly it survived, there's no buckles. I made it pretty strong, so, but I'm thinking of maybe just taking the battery out and just heating that out a bit, and then because the back one is a separate one, so I'm making a new one. Yeah, changing the tire. So as I say, I'm not sure if I'm even going to show you this video. Well, I'm making it, so let's see. Just, it's not a lot of damage. I've got the blue piece that broke out of there, so I can plastic weld that back into place. There's a little piece I'm missing, but for the top ends that'll be fine. I'm fixing that. Take this tire out. Put a new one on, or different one, or something else. I'm not sure, folks, I'm not sure. I'm just showing you, and yeah, we'll work from there. So the damage, there's no structural damage. The subframe looks all intact. It didn't get shot that hard. That one, I can eat that out and put it back in, but I'm somewhere thinking make a new one. It's about the same effort to make a new one than to try and bend that one correctly. Yeah, my breather box is also fine. It broke off one of the, where I drain it. I'll change that with a new one. That's pretty much it. So let me take that battery out and see if we can get that ding out, because I'm not changing that front piece. Okay, I'll show you once there's a little bit more progress. Yeah, so folks, you can see new tire fitted, new aluminum plate bolt, different again. We lifted it a bit more, so there's more clearance to the wheel. And yeah, now we need to fix that tail piece, see if it's fixable, because we need to see how it fits to this piece of aluminum. Lekker. Okay, so let's do that quickly. Okay, folks, 10 million staples later, the tail piece is fixed, sort of. Still looks like an ouchie, but with a new tail light, it'll look a million times still like an ouchie. But yeah, at least there's no more gaping holes. All right, let me put the light back in and see where we're at. Okay, folks, yeah, it's starting to look like something again. Good backlight in and ouchie still. Need to make this hole and make the breather fit, but yeah. So this one is now brand new. This one is still a bit dinged up. Maybe after the top ends I'll replace that one again, or also something. But because I lifted this one, I need to rearrange a couple of things, make it work a little bit better. But yeah, slowly but surely, I won't say we're getting there, but we're getting somewhere. All right, let's continue. All right, folks, so it's a new day. Time for me to continue rebuilding or building, or continue working on the bike, getting it ready for the top ends. Luckily, the top ends is only tomorrow, and I've got like 3 days worth of work left. So I should be ready just after the top ends. Let's hope not. Okay, let me stop yapping and get back to work. Yeah, all right, folks. What's the time? 3:30 on a Friday afternoon, and yeah, we're still not done, but we are far enough so we can reinstall the fairings and everything. tire is on, chain is on, everything is right and tight. I made a couple of changes, so the ECU master logger is still there. The draggy just temporarily will be there, it's on its magnet. You remember there were relays and stuff here, so I moved the relays to the side. What else was there? There was something else. Oh yeah, the shifter, quick shifters box, moved it to this side, nice little bracket. Lifted the box even higher. You check, I can't put my fingers through. So made more clearance for the tire and everything. Not that it was an issue, but there's more clearance now. You can see in there. Tire's gonna love it. So yeah, it's the last time you'll see it like this. Now I'm gonna start reassembling, putting the tailpiece and stuff back on. Did start the bike, so she still is fine and everything for tomorrow. I don't know when you're gonna get this video, but yeah, let me fully assemble her. We'll end it. I will quickly edit it and put it on, and maybe you can see it tonight or tomorrow morning. Who knows? Yeah. All right, but thanks for all the support and all the well wishes and stuff like that. Let me continue on here. All right, folks, check the time. 6 o'clock. We're gonna test my editing skills tonight. I'm quickly gonna end this video here. Show you, she's done, she's finished. There's the mud guard. I can't load her on the bakkie with the mud guard on, so yeah. Do a quick walk around, and while I do that, I want to thank each and every one of you who sent best wishes, who said be strong and you'll get through it. And we had this nice little message from one of the guys. So yeah, the fairing is broken here, but it's fixed on the inside, stapled and everything. New tire, you saw what I did. New tray, new everything. The bike is totally done. So I'll just walk around and show you pretty much what's going on, and then continue on thanking everyone. There were even people phoning me and messaging me wanting to take the fairings off their own bikes so I can be able to do the top ends tomorrow. So yeah, I would like to thank, as I say, each and every one of you. All the Bible verses that were given and all the heads up and strongs. Yeah, thank you very, very much. I appreciate it. She's done. So yeah, what else can we do? We cannot do anything else. The rest is in the Lord's hands. So yeah, we did what we could do. Now it's up to him to decide what's going to happen further on. But yeah, thank each and every one of you. I will try and post the top ends results, or not post it, but share it as far and wide as I can. There will be live Facebook people showing it live. And then obviously Tuesday, I will show my side of the results. There's also a couple of things coming in Tuesday's video. Sponsorship. We got to go ahead on a couple of things. But I will elaborate, I don't know. I don't know how long this video is going to be. As I say, I'm going to throw everything together and just show you. She's ready, she's done. All the damage is fixed. Thank each and every one of you. May the Lord bless all of you. May everyone achieve what they want to achieve this year. And yeah, Holt Farms, maybe we can get to where we also want to be. All right. Bless you all. And yeah, after this one, see you on Tuesday. All right. Goodbye.